Subscribe to GH Live.
Okay, yeah, that's it. All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. Yeah, there's something in our age, yeah, there's some pa and I nam, yeah, the Bible some more. Now you dear to me, akoso wano. Yeah, then any to say, yes, you didn't na ebo at the pencil at the mouth. Now it's me a quiet name. Aha, GH Live Studios, broadcasting live from United States of America. Enya better, but I go so yeah, there's something some unity for Naya to me acquire name 101. And then on this very episode, spiritual elm, and I hear rooms and where we kind of rough. You ra spirituality with regards to Asante Kotoko and I think so Accra House of a game at A2 John. Prediction be brave, and I did in Komoba community and Sabia A2 Ja. She say Kotoko camp on Ura. Almost for the first time, I'm gonna have to come about baby Omakubia. I say, Emma among prediction. A crowd of folk so almost somebody ding, a bear Kranakotoko epecati. Sa and almost so a day baby PM Kumas. Inti, we are to trip, why sunny. Yes, sa pepe. Now, get the stadium no one send some abba, Abra Stadium ho. Baako accuse baako say we mu pursue mu rem kobo mu mpae we mu sisi ni National Sports Authority si time am bobol no nso ntie mfa kini mu obia ene ade ye de no asomo dada mo hu opesa video na ko yen channel he ya onsa ebetumi aka now we de enkomo baako ho ye de ba betudwa ama ye na tie for exclusively na everybody
Subscribe to GH Live.
Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. GH Live Studios. Yet in some panu shall near the aqua and G Chrome. Sape any yo anything sports, anything with regards to Asante Kotoko. And I feel so a crowd of folk, yes, they also crowd some more, but I had the Crobiana and Asantana and then they call him Black Star Stories, anything about Guama Ghana football fan and Chuma Paddy Frano, any other issue. Now, hats of folk, any Asante Kotoko, any game, ya temu, baby ball, and Yaketua cry, poke crowd, or Sintawi pumpuni game, and a ebo edeba. Na Kotoko camp. You bet me Eddie Atuja said, if our circles no penny for any nam, empire body, a unyamia drew, or more bompire, anything I friend empire will be or more air bon poke krawa, and Yaketua cra, or more enenam. Hats of folk, chapters a wukumase, as usual, chapter 9, the unim dada, almost a bujim, or the babanium air bo. Na baby, I whom chapters nibia no manenam, I was important one more na. Omura ese yarewa zongo ho baby na akobɔ mpae bi no master hasefo nso ani abre pa hasefo abedru kumase meka so ma bedru a enye entire team na ebɔbɔ no nko a yes nyame boa wo mbesim that is me nka de wo mbesim yes hasefo no bedwa but mpanyimfo de no bedi community nim so mpae de besom na has contemplate se bia a chan krom yes Washington view ntwiaso o baby won betimi ababa abedwoso niema o ho no ma free honom attribute to the Baba Sports Stadium eno de todwa yes the free mu baba bia no ye bema ye na team for na Asante Kotoko bobokuo no nso leadership anasa circles mpanyimfo no nso enam ebom pai yi papa enyagro kra nti the nim ene de todwa spirituality no with regards to this ene de ema in a team for na Kotoko bi ombeko bia ye can edit chom so munhwe yie na omo anka score line bia na yebehye yes has na mo na omo kobo no okoye na be wi achi na opekate nti has fo no twen result free Kotoko ano na omo de aye de omba na Kotoko fo nso bi omo koye bia nso yesi mo nya hwe training ni de ekoso wo park ne so na incomious we nchenchen nso de oyi free me nye yie sa pepepe na ene yemfa we nso ntudwama one spiritual man bomb pa. This video actually by the kind courtesy of Miami Nyina Michael Darko. Yes, Minia Michael Darko, Don Summer, and Emma Saka video. Yes, Don Summer, crucial. me church ya we pa Michael Dako somebody o there na me fa bia me nya ebo nti no de we nya yi na bia somebody ya me dia nti me so me dia ya somebody nti owura Michael Dako show so na opanyi baako ebe pii mu a or the prediction too ja na prediction no if you ever
because jen yo de oyehu but you catch them supporters say mo bian predict
okay reverend dey na
oyehu say manual bian asimi ntwaso yi me ma reverend we de oyehu no ye be say supporters or the boss of the me page reverend sisi ya
is but reverend twum si wo ma hu no ma bia ehu
well every but say and all council can lack as a bemede say football there lack wom shebre so dey wom
wo hu bibi
yeah enti no wo mi oni me pese me ka asem ha because every man be kan na osafu je mfi bi fight chi na wo mkoya ne ma so o kaya o wi no be da ma se wo ha and we me pese me ka asem
o ba me tete sa say calendar bi ne calendar bi say
okay
I do your mic ni mama
okay you know there what was say
Angel.
What was say 2014 2014 what's your calendar na any 2025 calendar yeah pe oh in 2014 so say Kotoko for the fall league no and you know history bet me repeating no
2024
na say you league no me border we tambe
okay
what you say
okay
say finance in there be 2025 yes and you know Kotoko the yesterday bet Messi huma has but it depending on your adwuma has no so
okay
say na wutimi dane say shebre ne nkrabia nti hade yetimi dane
eti na mze twuma ye careful so be so be kan ara na obi akodane
that's right
but the office all can say 2014 calendar no
yeah and 2025 the same thing
eti ye Kotoko
and 2014 so yes Kotoko na fa cap no
2014
one fa
na je say 2014 mo hye Kotoko share ya na ana won kai
me kai record
check ma me quick answer ka be won kai 2014 Kotoko fa league
say Bantman hene mo ba 2010 but queen mo time nti pe queen mo time Didi Dramani one go project yeah for league yeah
but in
Didi Dramani time
mo share has
Mr. Has ya ka me ka say
Sedu Bansi
ko say o mo akra
one no
one
I'm for double day na
pokunti time epia
asifo no mo na
amo bagidi pa say the mo ba no consistency
I be near don't worry
okay but has betimi adane no
yeah
okay Kotoko nso betimi amiem
it depending na me say your adwuma ma won it depending
mate
sa magane ambaga
okay enti eno dey free mu etoja papa no so no reverend no etimi ohwemu ana sort to the porcupine a person na ade no eko edema na enya keto akra enti this video yan credit yenuanuma ewo 96.1 minia Michael Dako crucial don summer bra enti so we dey wa hwe a disa eda ye dey ade egbafia enya abroti ya ye dia enti yaso ye die passage bi ba akra pampotable kada be ke ba enti sa pepe na esi etie enti this video yadin kan say credit yenua crucial don summer Michael Dako nadama na yensa eka sa video ya enema ede the din akiri ayebrel na papa no prediction e de ayi kasa bebuo ma yetina bebuo sa pepepe papa no patch say tilt to the porcupine a personal side honum Kotoko no na as a victory ni yakọ na has for so betimi adane niema ni amansanche ni yankopon niema atimi aye de beyo why result in a besibo so ni nyina mo no prediction no na ye ka e de actual say fitting the record okoye in comment session one ma ye give various predict Kotoko has who is winning odo de atonom na inkunimdi bo no koma we bam krogina e kirebe super e de amount actually e de ma no e be super fantastic enya keto akra nti as usual this very episode yama ohun Kotoko spiritual realm baby omawura and a heart focus so yama ohun baby omo nso awura niema esi elko sa pepepe and this very episode yama ohun ye spirituality highly spiritual saa pepepe na eko training ni the two teams ni ye na ka de ode niam beto niam so na awie pe DJ bi ba kuma se na friend say wo say akwa na oye nwom de wa ye awie aka DJ obebo na ye ode nti na msi TKT wo saa pepepe eno so kakra ehwegu ewo mu nti de wom ene se sisia ne de empaibo na ekoso sɛdeɛ mekae no akoa na ɔyɛ nwom no deɛ wayɛ aka DJ obebo na yɛ ɔde nti ɛna me se ti saa station ya yɛ wɔ ha yi na bibia enkoso emfamati as usual prediction galore ɛna ekoso a yegusu anso ɛgye amanfo deɛ kotoko ɛna papa a ɔyɛ reverend a ɔkasa onim honhom fam no ɔsɛ ɛtilto victory no tilto ɛde kɔ ɛde ma wɔm saa papa yi anso predictive or predictive win ɛde ma ora John Dramani Mahama his excellency anya get to akra nti enya beke papa ne kan ta bam pa che se etimi ye yi pa nti fabulous training ni koso no ene ade no na mo yire mo mpa beni mu na bibia e koso di nkuni wa kuma se be de e ma me no mai so ta e beto ene ade nti ade na won hye na ave nge kona ye ntoa so enkoma bibia enyi peye nti fabulous the best fabulous the greatest fabulous see mo dey the crop ya ways na what is nyema etwagu na yede ehia wo na ha GH Live Studios this very segment I the brew we know if actually rem our spiritual rem any hu kotoko any has ahead of the gamer eba be toja da kwasi ada no hwan na hu fam no ogina yie na reverend a okotena menua Michael Kwabenada ku show so crucial summer shows no e de tu anim se ese hum from no kotokofo no flag na hoist na has for person dum jade a omuhia nkanso nkwasi ada insu pa eno mo de aguso nti ano so no fa so prediction to ase ha comment section ha na yanni hu djuma nkundie ko ema prediction a yebo aba so na ya to aso aba tushire na bibia wi nkundie so me dey Derek Saint Kizito. Thank you so much for watching, but don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you so much.
Everybody,
Subscribe to GH Live.